Hello everyone, this is my homework. Pronunciation. Bed, bedroom, 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 bedroom. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. The, where the, where the, where the, where the, where the, where the. Are you used to the weather here? Are you used to the weather here? Are you used to the weather here? Help, 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 help. Let me help you. Let me help you. Let me help you. Er, er, er. Terrific, terrific, terrific. You look terrific today. You look terrific today. You look terrific today. Help, helpful, 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 helpful. You are very helpful. You are very helpful. You are very helpful. Learn, 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 learn something new every day. Learning something every day. Learning something every day. Thank you for watching.